So here is another scenario of unsynchronized swings where the bulls come in really late and we still have the same move up, pullback and continuation. But this time the bears, they are really hanging on to the dream that they can reverse the price, and the bulls step in much later. So when you're at this point, this will not look like a setup. It will not be a very obvious hidden bullish divergence. And you just have to wait for the CSB to emerge before you can do anything, otherwise you're just guessing. This might skew your risk to reward ratio because you're waiting for this to conclude, and in the meantime the price is moving slowly upwards, but you don't have your conclusion yet, you don't have your CSB yet, so you're taking the trade much higher up. So as usual, it's better if the swings are synchronized, but it's good that you learn to read what's actually going on in the market.